It's a very good evening, and it's very much happy to be here. Of course, more than receiving the award, in front of all the legends and professors here. And Professor Govardhan is my role model, and Jamid Basha sir, CMK sir, and Palnisami sir, everybody. So, award, it's getting an award. It gives a lot of motivation and happiness, to serve more. And I come from Tirunelveli. And beyond Tirunelveli, there is some small hamlet called Mulekkarepatti. It's a small hamlet. And my grandfather is the one who actually started the first hospital and first school and of course the police station, register, everything there. But he is a very visionary man. So he made sure all his, he had 6 girls. Everybody, he wanted to make them doctors. So my mother was the first one to become the doctor. So because of her, they moved to Madurai, and I was born in Rajaji Hospital. Okay, so that was the small thing. And from there, I used to think, we have to do something, how it has impacted. So my father met with an accident, road accident, when I was 10 years old. And that actually, I want to become a trauma surgeon or accident care specialist. I didn't even think I should become a doctor first. So that was the thinking. So, okay, fine. And one way, God bless, I got a medical seat and I got it. But medical education is fine. And post graduation I didn't get here. I flunked 2 times. It was a very difficult examination. So I used to read the books, and everything is all British authors. Everybody is MCh Ortho, FRCS, everything. So I asked my father's an advocate, all these books, says all the authors are from England, so I want to go to England. So you please send me. And then my father is very much supportive. Okay, go. So how to go to England? And I was asking that, sir, you go to Madras. No, you can go to England. So I asked my mom, I have to go to Madras. Then my mother said, you go and meet Lalita Kameshwaran madam. So she will guide you. So I went there. She was the first Vice Chancellor, and I went there. Madam, I am so-and-so, Dr. Shakuntala's son, and I want to come. So what do you want? I want to go to England. So first you need to go and, you have to do something. Okay, then she guided me to Stanley Hospital. So there I met Professor and Professor Radhakrishnan, and everybody there were very humble. And I got a place in plastic surgery where I learned my surgical principles there. But I was very particular, I have to go. So I was going on asking them, we have to go. Right, one fine day, Professor helped me, and I got a sponsorship, and I've been there. And I finished, I did my all training. Then again another incident, to come back to India. I lost my cousin in road accident. And, what to say, he didn't get ambulance service, he died. That's it. So we came back and we actually found out just within half an hour or 1 hour, if it had been shifted, you would have living. Anyway, then I asked my wife, okay, we should do something, we come back to India. Incidentally, Tamil Nadu was having the highest accident rate, and Tirunelveli was scoring more deaths. So we have to start, we formulated a trauma care system in Tirunelveli, and we did about 50 CME program, and from UK people came, and Professor Govardhan sir came all the way and stayed with me for 2 days. This is all the program we did and everything. Now again another thing. So I went and studied, all this English author's book. So I should also write a book. So that was my thinking I was going on. Then I had an excellent opportunity in COVID. In that COVID, yes sir, 1 minute, I understand that. In that COVID, I had an opportunity where I could write a book and, Safe Orthopedic Surgery, and Professor Palnisami sir released, and Health Minister actually released the book. So thank you very much. Now, one thing, all this thing I was just telling you for the younger generation, there's something called creativity. When Sundar Pichai was asked, what is the one thing you want to tell the younger generation? What is the one? He said that, creativity. What is creativity? We are all very good in factuals. Your left brain is very good. You can tell, remember by heart everything. But interestingly, you see, appreciate Jamir Bajajan, same case, sir. That right brain was working very well. That sense of humor and everything. You take the things lightly. Because a lot of challenges I faced, and I'm standing in front of you because of that skill. Because where you can use it, you can come out taking things lightly. You got a lot of opportunity. Okay, you didn't get the post-graduation, I went somewhere. I got it. And like that, if you don't get the post-graduation, you can become a politician, you can act in movie, or you can produce movie. A lot of people are waiting here to act. So, like that, you have to, understand the life. So, there is only one advice I want to give is, develop the creativity. Lot of books are there, lot of books. And one thing is, the creativity came from us only. அம்மா அப்பா கிட்ட ஒரே ஒரு ஞானப்பழம் இருந்துச்சு. ஒரே ஒரு ஞானப்பழம். அது யாராவது ஒருத்தருக்கு தான். 3 உலகத்தையும் சுத்தினவன் யாரோ அவனுக்கு தான் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. அவர் பாரு பிள்ளையார் ரொம்ப ரொம்ப ஸ்மார்ட். அம்மா அப்பாவை சுற்றி வாங்கிட்டார். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி அந்த ரைட் பிரெயினை க்ரியேட்டிவிட்டியாக நீங்கள் யூஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட் அண்ட் தேங்க்யூ TAMPA and Professor CMKR and LIMRA for this wonderful opportunity. And I dedicate this my award and everything. Thank you to my parents, my wife, my family, and to Tirunelveli people. Thank you very much.